Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech troubles into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into how to reset your Zelle password. Zelle is a fantastic app for quick money transfers, but forgetting your password can be a real headache. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the process in just a few easy steps, so you can get back to sending cash hassle-free. First off, open the Zelle app on your smartphone or head to the Zelle website on your computer. If you're on the app, you'll land on the login screen. Look for the Forgot Password or Reset Password option. It's usually right below the login fields. Tap or click on that to get started. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address or phone number associated with your Zelle account. Make sure it's the one you used when you signed up. Once you input that, hit Submit. Zelle will then send a verification code to your email or phone for security purposes. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, check your email inbox or text messages for that code. It might arrive in seconds or take a minute, so keep an eye out. Once you have it, go back to the app or website and enter the code in the provided field. If it's correct, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Aim for something strong. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a special character to keep your account safe from hackers. After setting your new password, confirm it by re-entering it, and then you're all set. You can now log back into your Zelle account with your fresh credentials. Remember, regularly updating your password is a smart way to safeguard your financial info. Thanks for tuning in. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Stay secure out there, and we'll see you in the next video.